Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede BBQ. It's a beautiful day in the backyard, so today we're not just gonna do one bruschetta, we're gonna do two kinds of bruschetta on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. Now the first thing that we wanna do is light up the grill, and here's how we're gonna do that. We wanna initiate the startup sequence, and then we wanna set the grill temperature to 550 degrees. We're gonna use fruit wood pellets for this cook. Now when the Memphis Wood Fire Grill is sitting at 550 degrees, I think it's time to make the first bruschetta, and we're gonna make a traditional one, and here's how we do that. We wanna grab a good paring knife. We're gonna cut the stem end from 12 Campari tomatoes, but make sure that they are ripe and has good flavor. Then we're gonna use the paring knife to cut them into small pieces. I like to do this over a plate so you collect all the juice. I also like to discard the center part. Then we're gonna squeeze one garlic clove in the mix. We're also gonna pour 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then you wanna add a couple of teaspoons of flaky sea salt and a couple of teaspoons of black pepper. We also wanna tear 4 to 5 large basil leaves into the mix. Now we want to use our fingers to mix this around until it has a good texture. And then we can set it aside. Now we want to grab a bread knife and slice a Tuscan bread or any other rustic Italian loaf into slices. We're going to brush one side with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Then we want to season that side with some flaky sea salt. You want to grill it for about 2 minutes or until you have nice grill marks. Then we're gonna flip it over and grill the other side. When they have good grill marks on that side too, remove them from the grill. For a classic bruschetta, now you want to gently rub the grilled slices of the bread with the cut end of a raw garlic clove. Then we want to top each slice of the bread with the marinated tomatoes and serve immediately. So that is how I make my traditional bruschetta, and I guess I have to try this and see what it tastes like. And look at that, that just looks amazing. Rustic, packed with flavors. This is really good. Now, because it's such a nice day, why don't we make a second bruschetta, this time with peach and goat cheese. So let's get started on that one. We want to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to a bowl where we have 3 medium ripe peaches cut into slices. We're going to season this with a little bit of flaky sea salt, and then we want to place the peaches on the grill. Now we're going to grill these for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until they're charred and have nice grill marks. When ready, remove them from the grill and let cool. While the peaches are cooling, we want to brush the bread again with a little bit of olive oil. We want to season it with a little bit of salt, and we want to start grilling it on the Memphis Wood Fire Grill. Same routine, 2 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other side, and when ready, remove from the grill. When the peaches has cooled down, you want to cut them into chunks. Then we're going to place them back into the bowl. We're going to add another 2 tablespoons of olive oil and season with a little bit of salt. Then you want to toss this so it's thoroughly mixed. We're gonna spread a thin layer of goat cheese over each slice of bread, and then you want to top this with a dollop of the grilled peach mixture. We're also gonna garnish with some basil, and then this bruschetta is ready to serve. And that is how I make my peach and goat cheese bruschetta on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. Now, if you want to know more about Memphis Wood Fire Grills, check out their website, memphisgrills.com, for more recipes and inspiration like this. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try this bruschetta and see what it tastes like. And that looks so good. So here we go. Yeah. Both of these are phenomenal. I hope you try them at home. Happy grilling.